Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send USDT from Gate.io in 2025. If you're new here, USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a favorite for quick and secure transactions. With the crypto world evolving fast, Gate.io has rolled out some slick updates for 2025, like enhanced security features and faster processing times. So, let's jump right in and get you sending USDT like a pro. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Gate.io account. If you haven't already, head over to the Gate.io website or app and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Here, you'll see all your assets, including your USDT balance. Next, select USDT from your list of holdings. This will take you to a detailed view where you can choose the Withdraw or Send option. Now, here's where it gets exciting. In 2025, Gate.io has integrated AI-powered address verification to double-check that you're sending to the right wallet and prevent any costly mistakes. Enter the recipient's wallet address carefully. It's case-sensitive, so no typos allowed. Then, input the amount of USDT you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, especially if you're using the Tron or Ethereum network. Always check the estimated fees first to avoid surprises. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, which I highly recommend for security, you'll get a prompt to verify via your app or email. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. Gate.io's system will process your transaction almost instantly in 2025, thanks to their upgraded blockchain integrations. And just like that, your USDT is on its way. Before we wrap up, a quick word of caution. Always double-check recipient addresses and keep your account secure with strong passwords and 2FA. If you're new to crypto, start small to get the hang of it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this. See you in the next video.